Welcome to Oluwashina channel from Shintech Learning. To get started today, we are going to consider some important things. Now, to get started first is for you to download your software. And to download your software, you go to a site called Up to Down. Up to Down is the first method to download your software, up.com. And the second one is to go to your app store. After downloading your software, it shows that you are ready to get started with us. Now let's proceed. Now to proceed, first of all, software capcut, when it's downloaded, when you hit it, it brings you to this interface that I am now, right now. And now the important things to consider here is to look at where I am, edit 0 template. This is where your template stays at. When you are working on your local project, this way. When you are working on templates provided by the software, capcut software, this is where everything is. When it is camera, this is where this is just like a storage, a temporary storage for you, and that is that for that. When you move up a little bit, you see new project which is blue background. This blue background says what? I'm creating a project from scratch, which is the aim while we are learning this, to create it from start. And another important thing to take note of before we leave this interface is what? The setting aspect. You see, there's not much to consider here. The part we need to consider here is talking about the app language. You can set it to any other language. Let me hit it. You can see default is at English and okay with English. And so feedback, you see feedback, terms and conditions, all those ones does not matter. This catchy, always refresh it, because sometimes it goes more than one. It can be 100, it can be 200. It makes your phone software to be hanging, which is not good. So always refresh, and this is how to refresh it as well. And the version I am on is what? Version 8.0, which is the latest version. When you how to know the latest version is for you to go to the down site and to uptodown.com, download the latest version, and you see the latest version. The phone version is the best so far than even the PC version, because the technology is far ahead of the phone and the browser version. So that is that for this part of the lesson, which is backstage view. This part of the lesson is called backstage view. Backstage view, you want to log into your laptop. You will not access your laptop directly. You log in your password, it process and take you. This is how technology as what works here. The first part is the backstage view, and it goes to the processing part. The processing part is where you select what did you want to work with. What did you want to work with? So I'm going to the new project. So I've clicked the new project, which I mentioned earlier on. Say this is the processing aspect. What did you want here? Okay. At the album state, I have video. I want a video. I want to work on video. I want to edit video. I want to edit photo. And you see stock photos. Some people love touch editing. They go online to search for what is online. But for this lesson of this tutorial, if you know how to do it offline, you can also know how to. Your own is just let your data to be on, and you go on, or use that same method to go online. So what I want is to select an image. To select an image, I can hit it to view it properly. After viewing it properly, I can just there's a cycle here. I can click it, so it added one. So I can uncheck it. I don't want it anymore. You can view it properly and also click it here. So immediately you're done, just say add. Just hit the add. Hit it properly. It comes to the main interface. This is the main interface, and this is where you should take note of, because this is where all your projects will be done. So it is essential you know this one. We are done for this part of the tutorial, which we talk about backstage views, as is the welcoming interface. And the next tutorial, we will be talking about the main stage view. So don't miss the tutorial for anything. Well, I'm Shino Babatunde from Shintech Learning, your instructor, your video instructor. So to be grounded all-rounder. To be grounded all-rounder is to watch the tutorial. Make sure, if you are new, make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. We are hitting high subscriber. You share this to friends, because in no time you become an expert in video editing. I'm Shino Babatunde from Shintech Learning. I'll meet you in class in the next tutorial. God bless you.